West Ham 3. Yes, you heard right. West Ham, David Moyes. Moyes here. Got the job a week after Arteta won the same amount of trophies as Arteta. Spent a quarter of the money as Arteta. Hasn't got Tony Cottee wheeling out kits every week. Hasn't got Mark Noble knee sliding, giving it cheers, guys, and all of that rubbish on TalkSport. Cool. 3. Asna. 1. 1, yes. And the 1 came pretty much with the last kick of the game after he'd thrown our captain, Saka, Martinelli, under the bus at 3-0. Yeah, Declan Rice came on, 2-0 down. I think it was 2-0. He brought him on. I'm past caring. Jez, I swear to God, make sure you sub to Jez's channel, people. Arsenal history and more. We're going to do player ratings shortly. Check out mine and Kenny's fan cam. Matty's coming after this. Player ratings is coming straight after. Jez, as somebody who has seen Asna, proper Arsenal, and I say proper Arsenal because you're a little bit older than me. You've seen Arsenal in the doldrums, but at least Arsenal had a bit of fight. Yeah. 70s, we were rubbish. At least we had a bit of fight. Yeah. 80s, we weren't great either. Let's be real. At least we had a bit of fight. Yeah. Got to some finals along the 70s and 80s. Won a few here and there. Whatever. Yeah. We've seen our club win the 2 League Cups that we've won. One of them being part of a cup double in 93, where we finished, 12th under George Graham? Nobody cared. Nobody cared about league position because Sky Sports weren't a thing.
Nope.
Yeah. Well, maybe they just started being a thing, but it weren't a top 4 race. It was all about going have a bit of heritage. Why are we the 3rd biggest club in the country? Because of trophies. And now we're sitting there going, don't matter, mate. Only the League Cup. Yeah, absolutely disgusting. Disgusting. I'm going to let you take the mic, mate, and I'm going to shut up and smoke the Arsenal pack. Big up West Ham. Fair play.
Well, I find it difficultly to actually find words to explain. This fan base now is absolutely in the gutter. I watched that shit show today, and it was incompetence, lack of drive. There was nothing. They didn't give a damn, those players. The only player at the end of that game that went around and was applauding the fans was Declan Rice. That's the only player. The rest of them buggered off down the tunnel, didn't go to the away fans and put their hands up and applaud them and say, guys, look, we got it wrong tonight. That, I'm sorry, just shows the ambition of this football club. And as you just said backstage, I watched your watch along and I was watching the game on Sky. People, that one fella, right, laughing.
Yeah.
Laughing in the crowd. 2-0 down, might be 3-0 down. Can't remember.
Maybe I'll give him a bit of credit, but maybe it was just whatever. Oh, okay, cool. Nervous. Well, better laugh than cry or moan. I don't know. But at the same time, these are the same people scurrying around for match day tickets, but then go and sit on their Twitter accounts giving it we're fake fans. Yeah. And then they're all leaving. Why are you leaving? Back your manager, innit? Yeah, he's 4 years next month, Jez. 4 full calendar years this manager's had the job. David Moyes got the job. 1 week after him has won the same amount of trophies as him. Yeah? Disgusting. How dare you throw that cup in there? How many more cups are we throwing in the bin, mate? Yeah, and let's have it right. Let's have it right here. David Moyes got to a Europa League semi-final and lost. The following season, he got to the Conference League final and won it. Yeah, and he's just absolutely toyed with us tonight. And that manager is so arrogant. So arrogant that you then go and throw and feed Odegaard, Martinelli, and Saka to the Lions 3-0 down. Yeah, what's the point?
Exactly. I honestly, I'm struggling to find words what to say about it. I just find this fan base now is just absolutely piped. People walking out 3-0 down, missed the 1 goal that Odegaard scored. Why bother going to the flaming game? You go to support your team. You go to support the players. All right, those players tonight were absolute dog crap. But you go, you've made the effort. You've travelled across London, right, or wherever you've come from, yeah, you've made that effort tonight on a horrible, horrible night when there's a storm coming in. I mean, where I am here at the moment, there's 85-mile-an-hour winds. It's absolutely pissing down with rain. Yeah. Storm warnings, people are worried about flooding, people are worried about damage to the houses. So you've made that journey. You've made that bloody journey. Support your sodding team. I don't care about that fella that was actually, maybe it was nervousness. No, that wasn't nervousness, Lee. He couldn't give a flying F. It was a day out with his mates, his girlfriend, whatever. Yeah. And that is the plastic fans. Not me, not you, not Kenny, not Northside, not Diesel, and I can name loads of other people. It's because we care. We get called out because we care. We don't accept mediocrity. We want success. I've seen fucking success at this club. I've seen us win numerous FA Cups, league titles, and 2 league cups. Yeah? And 2 European trophies. Right? I do not accept this. And Arteta, you are a prick and you will be out of this club. Because tomorrow night, 6:30, I'm calling you and every other player in this club out. And I will go into that lot, Lee, like they've never heard it before. And I hope Arsenal media will watch it. I'm sure they do.
Hopefully they watch it all the time, Jez. Trust me,
And
they
they're
watch
going
it.
to get it, man. Arteta, Edu, and all those bloody shit show players tonight are going to get it right between the eyes because that is a disgrace to this football club. That badge, right, means more to me than anything. I don't like this badge, right? I like the crest. When we were a proper
behind you,
right, a proper bloody football club, yeah, not a plastic bloody stupid brand club that we are now. And I'm not putting this on the Cronkies. I'm putting this on Edu, Vinay, and Arteta because you are absolute complete pricks, the lot of you. And I'm so angry, Lee, so angry. We are not in a position where we can sit here and just throw away trophies, right? We've won FO, yeah, 1 FA Cup, right, which was not his team, and we won the Community Shield, right? Great. That is not a trophy.
Right, we won the last one by default.
Exactly.
Yeah, let's be real.
I'm not happy. I am not happy at all.
Jez, listen, this is the thing, yeah. Like I said this on the podcast with you and Kenny on Monday. I don't mind if we lose to West Ham. My exact words: I do not mind if we lose to West Ham. Have a go. Have a go, and if we get knocked out, we get knocked out. But I also said, and I quote my own words, I will quite happily, if he wins nothing this season, other than the League Cup, I'll say, fair play, you won me a trophy. Even if we finish 10th. Yeah, because I've seen the George Graham 12th and 2 cups against Sheffield Wednesday. You've seen it. You've seen the 87. I've seen it, albeit I was a kid. Yeah, but I've lived in that era. Yeah. It's not about league position unless you win the league. Yeah. And I sat on that podcast on Monday and I said, I will quite happily cheer him and clap him and them players if they win the League Cup and nothing else this season. Because the aim of the game is to win trophies. I also said, you better go out there. And if you lose a game, we can all take losing, Jez. There's a way of losing. Tonight went that way. Yeah, they went out spineless, mate. How dare they do that to us, yeah? How dare they? Yeah, and that manager hid tonight. He's a coward, mate. Yeah, that manager hid tonight. Yeah, that midfield was set up to get ploughed through. I said it before kickoff, right? He should have gone with El Neni instead of Jorginho, and he should have gone with Rice instead of Havertz. That way, Vieira gets a chance. Vieira had no chance. He was fed to the Wolves tonight, mate. Yeah, you've got to do better, Vieira. But he was fed to the Wolves with them 2 behind him. And then at half time, you've got the audacity not to make a sub.
Exactly.
Like, come on.
I mean, it's an absolute rubbish first half. It was just embarrassing, to be honest. I was sat here listening to your watch along. I had it on the TV up there. I just thought, as soon as I saw that lineup, I put it in your chat. This is going to be capitulation by Arsenal. Right. As soon as I saw it, I thought, that's it. That game done. Might even not bother getting on the park because it was an embarrassment. And it was clear to me that arsewipe of a manager didn't give a damn about that game. And I'll tell you right now, Lee, and I'm going to predict this, we ain't winning sod all this season.
No, we already know that, Jez.
The FA Cup will be put in the bin. The Champions League, we won't get to a semi-final, and we ain't winning the Premier League. And I'm sorry to have to say it, I would give more kudos to the fact or credit that Tottenham could finish above us and win that bloody Premier League. And if he does that, if that happens, right, that guy should be hung from the nearest bloody lamppost.
Right, and do you know what's even more mad, yeah? Even if they don't win the league, if they finish above us in this first season and Unai Emery's anywhere near close to us with Aston Villa, right, whilst they always also have Europe, right, because they're in the Conference League, right, well, he should be sacked anyway. Let's just be real with it. He should be sacked.
Should be gone tonight.
He has been to every cup competition since he won one with a different squad that ain't his. He's been to all.
16 competitions, 16 cup competitions.
And he's won one.
Yeah, not his team.
One with a team that weren't his. Yeah, on that bombshell, we'll wrap it up there. Arsenal history and more. Link in the title. Absolute disgrace. Make sure you check out the player ratings that are coming shortly. Matty's fan cam's coming straight after this. Kenny's dropped. I've already dropped. We're out of here. Absolute disgrace.